Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Combi Block Puzzle. Now this puzzle comes into the region division puzzle category, and this particular genre is being featured on recent PR contest, Puzzle Ramayana contest by Swaroop Gugilam. Swaroop is an excellent author and excellent solver too. So he has represented India in World Championships for puzzle, and he has even constructed many puzzles and Sudokus for national and international championships. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. Contest will go till 4 or 5 days from now, and it has already started. So it has 22 puzzles, and all the puzzles are constructed by Swaroop. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. I'll add the link in the description below for the contest page, where you can download the IB instruction booklet, look at the puzzle types, and then give the contest, right? So Combi Block is one of the puzzle types that is featured in the recent contest, and I thought of making a video on this one. So I have taken two puzzles today, and both the puzzles are taken from puzzle.link website, where there are tons of puzzles, all different genres and excellent puzzles there. So those two puzzles which I have taken were redirected to some other website. So one, the smaller puzzle that I will be solving, the first one is from Bachelor's Seal website, where which has many excellent puzzles, and the second puzzle was by USB author. So I really thank the author for giving me an opportunity to cover the puzzle on our channel. And coming on to the puzzle now. So Combi Block is a really very easy genre and a really interesting type, I would say. It's really an interesting puzzle genre, and the rules are very easy to understand actually. So in the Combi Block puzzle, as you can see, there are some dotted lines, grid lines given in the grid, and they form regions here. As you can see, this is one region, this is another region. So in this puzzle, you have to combine two regions to form a single shape. So for example, I'll combine I'll combine these two regions and it forms one shape, right? So you need to combine two regions, two grid line regions to form one shape, and the shape should not be a rectangle or a square, right? And the other thing is that no two same shapes. So when two regions are combined, they form a single shape, right? And no two same shapes can touch each other orthogonally after the combined one. So after two pairs of regions, once combined, cannot have a same shape as of the other region when combined, right? So for example, let me show you how I can okay, as you can see here, if I combine these two shapes and these two shapes, they form two different two shapes which are of same size and orientation, right? Not orientation, shape and size, right? So orientation doesn't matter here. It can have reflection, rotations are allowed. So you cannot have two same shapes that are touching each other when combined, right? Very easy puzzle type, and there can be some difficult puzzles in this puzzle genre. It is really hard to construct a difficult Combi Block puzzle. So I am looking forward to Swaroop's round here, and let's see how the puzzles would be. So let's start the puzzle. So the easy things are just marking the border between the two regions which cannot form a single shape or single combined shape. So for example, if these two combines, you form a square here, not possible, right? Which means you need to have a border in between those two shapes. These kind of things are really important in a Combi Block puzzle. Same way, if these two shapes, these two triminos combine, then these shapes get stranded, right? All of these shapes needs to have a pair, right? So you'll have a border between these two shapes, which means that they cannot be combined. Same way, you can have a border between these two shapes. So the moment you have a border, you have these two shapes, you'll have these two shapes, and they have a different they have same shapes, right? So which is not possible, which means you'll have a line between these two shapes, these two regions, I mean. Okay, and okay, now there can be some instances where you need to look out for odd or even number of regions in a closed area. Now what do I mean by that? sometimes you will come across such scenarios where if I have these two shapes, if these two regions are combined, let us assume if these two regions are combined, you have odd number of shapes inside this closed area, which is not possible. You need to have even number of regions, so that when you combine you have exactly pairs formed, right? Which means that these two regions cannot combine. You will have a line between them, right? These are the things that you need to look out for in a combi block puzzle. And okay, so let's see if we get anything else here. Same way, that's a good logic. If these two regions combine, then these two regions combine and you form a same shape again. Not possible, right? Which means that these two regions doesn't combine, and this region will form a shape with this region, right? Nice one. So you form a shape here, which means that now if these two regions combine, you will form the same shape here. So these two regions doesn't combine here, and now there is only one other shape that this region, one other region that this region can combine with, which is this one, and again one other region which is this one, right? And superb. So see the way the logic is flowing. You'll have to look out for eliminations, and that will lead you to the final solution, right? And if you say, if you combine these two regions, you'll have same shape with this, right? So which means you form these two regions. And okay, so anything else? So again, if you combine these two regions, you will form the same shape as this one, right? L, which means these two won't combine. Same way. Okay, again, if you combine these two regions, you will form the same shape as this one. Not possible. So which means this will combine with this region, this will combine with this region, right? So you form a U pentomino here and a P pentomino here. Okay, superb. So you'll have to look out for such cases. You'll have to look out for 2 or 3 steps ahead to get the logic here. So if I combine these two shapes will be combined, and will form all the, you know, a P pentominoes touching each other. Not possible, right? Which means that these two shapes cannot be combined, and it will be the Z1, it will be a V pentomino and a Z pentomino. Nice. That's really good logic here. And again, these two shapes cannot combine, because then you will form a P pentomino here, the same as this one touching each other, right? Again, superb. So these two regions cannot combine, because you will form an L pentomino here again, same like this one. So which means a small L tetromino is formed here. And as okay, so this is what I am saying. This is kind of a logic that you will have to look out for in puzzles, bigger puzzles and tougher puzzles. So this is an easy one. There are many ways to continue at the end, but just a logic that I would like to showcase is, as you can see, there are odd number of regions at the top left here, which means that this region, including this region, there are odd number of regions. So this region will have to combine with the regions below it, right? So which means you get a F pentomino here and a Y pentomino here, and this will form this shape. And that with that we have completed this easy puzzle from Bachelor Seal website. It was a really good puzzle, and these kind of logics are very much important in solving a combi block puzzle. Now we will go with the second puzzle constructed by USB, and this puzzle is also got a very good feedback. Actually, it's one of the high pointer puzzle from puzzle.link, and we will try to solve this puzzle now. The first thing that you do is marking the borders between those two regions, which might form a square or a rectangle. Same way like this one, because the moment you have these two regions as one combined shape, you form a rectangle here, right? This one, and so there are instances where you can you just have to look out for such cases, right? The most important thing in a combi block puzzle. These two also forms a rectangle here, these two forms a rectangle here, this forms a rectangle here between these two shapes. So okay, now we have done all the possible configurations here. Okay, this one, right? These two. Now doing this will surely help you solve a puzzle faster. As you can see, by doing for this region, this region cannot combine with this region because you form a square. This region cannot combine with this one because you form a rectangle. So this region has only one other region to combine with, and you form a L tetromino here. and again you cannot form a L tetromino with these two regions, now, right? So you form a Z tetromino here again. That's nice. Again, these two cannot combine, you can form a Z tetromino again here, okay? And now this region has to form the L tetromino here, no other way it can go. So these are the things that you have to look out for, right? And so what else can we do here is, okay, okay, now we'll have to look out for some other steps that might help us solve this puzzle. So okay, that's a very good logic here, a very good logic. So if these two shapes combine, you form a L tetromino here, right? These two shapes form the L tetromino, and you have odd number of shapes now. So this shape has to go out this way. Again you form an L tetromino here. Not possible, right? So these kind of logics are very much important. And now there is one more excellent logic here. I really love these kind of logics. So whatever this region combine with either this shape or this shape, it will form an L tetromino here. So there are two ways to continue. Easy way is that this is an L tetromino, so you cannot have a shape combining these two, right? Not possible. Again you will form an L tetromino of the same shape, right? Same size as well, right? Not possible. Other way to continue, sharper way or a complex logic I would say is, if at all you didn't have an L tetromino here, and what would you do at this moment? So this region has to combine with either this one or this one, and it will form an L tetromino here, which means that if this region combines with this one, you still have an L tetromino, and this region will form with this one, and you have two L tetrominos touching each other, which means that you will have a line between these two shapes. And now you have exactly 4 regions inside this closed area, which means that there will be a blockage between these two regions and you form a bigger shape here, right? And again now the easy way to look at this is, these two regions cannot combine because you will form an L tetromino touching. So this is done. Again these two cannot combine because the L tetromino will touch each other, right? Again these, okay, so you have odd number of shapes again inside the closed area. So this will go out this way. That's nice. Okay, so let's see if we have anything else here. Okay. Let's see if I'm missing anything else. These two combines, you form an L tetromino here. Okay, so okay, I get a very okay, that's a really good logic. Nothing much from this logic, but still a kind of logic that you will have to look out for in tougher puzzles. So if these two shapes combine, right, right, you will have a blockage here, and you have odd number of shapes inside this closed area. 1 2 3 4 5, not possible. Nice logic, right? So which means that there will be a blockage between these two, and that's nice. Again, so that should give us anything now. These forms an L tetromino here. Okay, so nothing from this. Do we get anything from these? So if these two combine, I get a very good logic here is that if these two cannot combine, but that's really way ahead to see that logic. Let me see if we can continue some other way. I got one logic, but that is too complicated to use at such moments. Of course, if I was solving this kind of thing in a competition, I would have guessed it at the start and I would have completed this puzzle. But let us try to solve it logically and see what all intended logic or solve path we might miss if we had guessed it, right? So if these two combine, these two, okay. So I got one of the contradiction here, but let's see if I get anything else. one of the contradiction here is that if these two combine, superb. So if these two combine, you have five shapes inside this closed area, right? So one of the either above or below shape will have to go outside, and these two will combine, these two will combine, right? Which means that this shape will combine to this, and this region, this small one cell region will have to combine with this, the above one, and you form two L tetrominos here. A really different logic, but a very tough one to see. So I'm not sure if that is the intended solve path, but I would love to see if there is any other logic that we might be missing. And okay, so other way to see is that if these two combine, right, you form an L tetromino here, which means that this region cannot combine with the above one, it forms the same L tetromino, cannot combine with the both of the left regions, it forms the same tetromino, which means that it will combine with this, and you have now two regions having just connected with one other region, and they both cannot connect themselves. A very different, some different kind of logic that I am seeing here is that there will be a region, or there will be a blockage between these two, right? And okay, so that isn't helping much. Let's see if we get anything else. So I think so these two cannot combine. That is the most important logic that I can see, is that these two will combine, these two will combine, and these two will combine. You have a cell that is standard and not connected to any of the other regions. So you have this one now. Okay, and okay, these two combine, these two will combine, these two will combine, and again these two. So you still have a standard this thing here, which means that these two won't combine, and you form a very big region here. So this was the most important logic that I could see at that point of time. And now these two will combine. Okay, so these two might combine, or these two. Okay, right? So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have exactly even number of regions. So either both of these will go out, or both of these will go in. So you'll have a blockage this way, or a blockage this way, right? Anyway, it is possible. So let's see if we get anything from this one. Okay, it's an important logic, guys. I missed it. You cannot have these two as connected because you form a rectangle here. So that gives you a 6 regions inside this closed area. So this will be closed, these both will have to be 1, this both will have to be 1. And does that give us anything? Okay. Okay, are we missing something? Okay, these two cannot. Okay, superb. So this has to be connected with this, because there is no other way. These both will be connected, and now both of these cannot connect because you form the same shape touching each other, right? Superb. So you'll have a like this, and with that we complete this gorgeous combi block puzzle. So both of these puzzles are very good puzzle. This was a little tougher one, and I just wanted to say that how these kind of puzzles are usually to be solved. Very easy genre, I would say, and it is really difficult to construct a tough one, because the regions are already drawn. You just have to combine them to get the shape which doesn't have the same shape as the orthogonal one, and that completes this both of these gorgeous combi block puzzle. So I would suggest you to check out the puzzle.link website, where you have tons of different puzzles. I will add the link in the description below for the puzzle.link website, as well as the PR contest, Puzzle Ramayana contest authored by Swaroop. So it would be a really fun contest, one of my favorite genres, I would say. So it's a regional division contest, right? Spiral Galaxies, Philomeno, Shashigane puzzle, this combi block puzzle. So there are compass puzzle, tons of puzzle practice puzzles out there in the puzzle.link. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and we would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.